Hello, my name is Alex Sanchez. I am a certified yoga instructor. I also have 8 years experience in martial arts, resulting in 2 third-degree black belts in Aikido and Jiu-Jitsu. My martial arts journey led me to practicing Tai Chi, which is a low-impact, mindful practice with many benefits. I would like to lead you on a journey in practicing Tai Chi. The opening movement in Tai Chi is referred to as opening the gate. Used will first demonstrate the arm movement and then we'll add the footwork. The arm movement is very basic and simple. On the inhale, arms float up, shoulder height. On the exhale, slightly bend the elbows, float the palms down, palms floating down to height. Now we'll add the footwork to it. Footwork is fairly simple. Feet are together. Lengthen the spine and shift your weight over to the right foot so you can lift the left foot out. Step out, go wider than your hip. And inhale, arms up. On the exhale, floating down. Opening the gate. In Tai Chi, there are 3 basic stances. There is T left, empty step left, bow stance left. Now in bow stance, your front knee is no further than the front ankle. Your back foot is at a 40 or 45 degree angle. And the weight distribution can be 60-40, 70-30. It's a matter of preference. Your bow stance is a normal step. You should be able to pull the front foot back without losing your weight, or without having to use your arms for any type of momentum. If I step too far and I have to use my arms to get back, that means I have overstepped. So again, T left, empty step left, bow stance left. One of the common movements in Tai Chi is parting the wild horse's mane, which I will refer to as horse's mane. From horse's mane, or moving into horse's mane, either starting in a T left or a T right. Now the footwork is fairly simple. You will step out a normal step, heel first, planting the balls of the feet, adjust your back foot at a 40 to 45 degree angle. Again, your step is normal. It should be no more than your normal walking gait. Parting the horse's mane, there is arm movement. And the basic reference point, starting point that we have in Tai Chi is referred to as holding the ball, holding your Chi, which is Chi as in QI, your ball of energy. Now your shoulders are relaxed, lengthen the spine, and we move into a T left. And as I step out, heel first, I will float the palms towards one another. Right palm goes down, left palm up. I will watch my left palm rise as I bring my right palm towards my right hip. Now that we've done horse's mane on the left, we'll do it on the right. So make your way into a T right, bringing the right heel in towards the inside of your left leg. We're going to hold our ball, so left palm on top, right palm on the bottom. Now slowly step out with the right foot, heel first. Palms will float towards one another. Left palm floating down towards left hip. Right palm is no higher than your shoulder. Bringing the right foot back into T right. Left palm on the top. Stepping out. Horse's mane on the right. Bring it back. T right. Hold your ball. And step. We're now going to connect the movements. The movement is as if you were walking forward. There's one on the left, one on the right, ending with horse's mane on the left. So make your way into a T left, hold your ball, and slowly step out with the left foot, palms floating towards one another. Lengthen that spine, T right, left palm on top, right palm on the bottom. Step out, horse's mane on the right. Bringing that left foot in for Chi left. And step out, horse's mane left. We're now going to put some of the movements together. And my assistant, my lovely wife Sherry, will be helping me with the demonstration. Each of us move differently. I move different from my other instructors. That's not to say that my movement is better or worse than anyone else. So when you go through the movements, do not judge yourself based upon the movement of the instructor. You are unique, your body is unique, and allow yourself to be you as you flow through Tai Chi. So we will begin our movement, bringing feet together. Lengthen the spine, relaxing shoulders over hips. Shift your weight over to that right foot, step out and left. Arms floating up. Arms floating down. Shift your weight over to the left foot, right foot at a 40-degree angle. Bring the left foot in for Chi left. Hold your ball, right palm on top, left palm on the bottom. Step out left, horse's mane left. Now bring the right foot in for Chi right, the left palm on top. Step out. And make your way to Chi left, right palm on top. And step. Thank you for following this video of the first section of the 24 common movements. If you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, and subscribe below. Make sure you click on the notification bell so you will know when the next video is posted. Thank you for